Alright guys, as you can see, I'm back in the garage. Finally broke the Galant. I went to launch it, as you see in the video, and there was just a pop, and the car I had in gear wouldn't go forward, wouldn't move, so I just drifted off to the side of the track. Ended up being a rear axle, so easy fix. I plan on putting in a whole new rear end, but I think I'm just going to end up swapping the axle and call it good. I know I haven't given you guys an update in a while. You guys have been seeing me racing the crap out of this car on the track, out there on the street. Still more videos to come. Today is April, what is it? I don't know, April something. 20th? Yeah, today's April 20th. I'm still having, as of right now, I haven't even posted the videos of import face-off where I had two passes. The second one, I thought I broke the transmission because I shifted so hard, but I'm losing a lot of time between shifts and between with this car, just due to the shitty transmission. Show you guys the axle. And it is a full bolt rear end, so just gonna do the axles, those 4 bolts, pop it out, gotta drain it, refill it, and be back on its way. The other one already has everything, but I don't feel like taking this all off. I didn't realize there's 2 bolts up there I gotta get if I were to change the rear end, so that's not gonna happen. But I'll just do the quick fix, drain it, refill it, be back on the road. Alright, there goes the axle, guys. It's out. Broken on that end. Kinda just slipped out completely. Had to use these 2 14 millimeters to get it out. The bolts, they were on this end. So if you guys got an easier way, let me know. Alright, there it is, guys. New axle's in. About to drop the car, give it a quick test drive, and then probably put the exhaust back on. There goes the Sentra. I pushed it back further into the garage, hoping to fit the Galant in here, but we'll see how long it takes for me to get this video uploaded. And I just used this to get the axle out, to pop it out. That's all I used. But don't forget, guys, subscribe, like the video, share it. I know I haven't been doing very many updates. Keep in mind there are videos coming up. By the time you guys see this, I'll have a bunch more race videos. So, hope you guys are enjoying those videos. But there it is. Replace the axle, super easy. Just those 4 little 14 millimeters. And that's it. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks.